In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create components in Webflow. Now, Webflow is an incredibly powerful visual website builder that's perfect for creating custom websites without needing to code extensively. Today, we'll go through the steps to create reusable components, enhancing your design workflow and efficiency. To begin, head over to the Webflow website. If you're new to Webflow, you'll need to start by creating an account. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a prompt to sign up for free. Click on that. You have the option to sign up using your email and a secure password that you'll create, or alternatively, you can use your Google account for a quicker setup. This step ensures that all your projects can be saved and accessed at any time. After setting up your account, you'll be directed to the Webflow dashboard. It's here that you can start a new project or select an existing one. Enter the design editor of your chosen project, and you'll see a canvas of your site. Here is where the magic happens. Within your site, click on any element. You'll notice this action opens up a settings panel at the top. This panel offers numerous options, but for our purposes, find and click on Create Component. This feature allows you to take an existing element or set of elements and turn them into a reusable component. Now that you've initiated the component creation, it's time to give your component a meaningful name, something that will remind you of its purpose as you return to use it later. Once named, you'll encounter a prompt asking you to select or type to add. Here, you'll type the name of the component again to configure it properly. Adding a brief description is another crucial step. This isn't just for your own understanding, but helps others who might be collaborating on the project know what this component does without needing to delve into complex documentation. With your component ready to go, click on Create. Congratulations, you've now made your first Webflow component. These components can now be reused across various pages within your project, saving you time from having to recreate designs from scratch. Next, navigate to the style options where you'll have the opportunity to refine your component. This can include changing text elements, adjusting the styling, or even modifying properties like colors and dimensions. Remember, any changes you make to the main component will reflect across all instances where that component is used. Finally, once you're satisfied with the adjustments, switch to variable modes to tweak any necessary settings. From here, it's all about styling details. Visit the accent and highlight sections to perfect the look and feel. When everything looks good, publish your project to ensure all your changes go live. And there you have it. By using components in Webflow, you've not only streamlined your workflow, but also ensured consistency across your site's design. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing.